Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to my tutorial on how I play Cinnamon Girl by Neil Young on 4-string electric bass. The bass is tuned E, A, D, G, or standard tuning for 4-string bass. We'll be learning 3 bass lines, and the first one comes from the intro, and it goes something like this. We started at a D note on the A string at fret 5. We played it twice. Played fret 3, back to 5, 3, 5, and then walked down from fret 3, 3, 2, open, and then the E string, 1, 3. We'll do that again. Stop on the first fret of the E string. So here's the entire thing. We'll do that part twice for the intro. Next, we'll learn what is played during the combined verse and chorus. It'll sound like this. Here's how we're going to play it. We'll go to fret 5 on the A string, the E string, and then back to the A string. So that was all on fret 5. Then we'll go back to the E string, fret 5, and play an octave. We'll play A, E, A, like that. So it's going to be So that was 5, 5, 7, 7, 7, 7. And then we'll drop down to fret 3 on the A string and play that same type of octave. 3, 3, 5, 5, 5, 5. Then down to the E string. 3, 3, 5, 5, 5, 5. So we did the same exact thing in all 3 places. And we'll follow that with this. So we went to fret 1 on the E string, 3, 5, 3 on the A string, 5 twice, and that's on the D string. 3, open, 3, open. So that's we'll play this bass line twice. Here's how we'll play it the first time around. second time around will be slightly different. We'll play it this way, starting with fret 3 on the A string. The last thing we need to learn is the bridge, and it'll sound something like this. And then we'll go back to our normal groove. For this one, we'll start by bouncing from fret 3 on the A string back to fret 5 on the E string, like this. Then we'll go to fret 3 on the A string to fret 5. Then to the D string, fret 5 3 times. Then we'll go to fret 5 on the A string, fret 3 on the D string, to fret 5 twice, back to fret 3, which is like that. Then we'll play fret 5 on the A string 3 times, down to the E string, fret 5. Then we'll go to fret 7 on the A string, play it 3 times. Fret 5 on the D string, fret 7 twice, fret 5, fret 7 on the A string, fret 5, and then we're done. So once again, that part was. So let's do the entire thing. Well, all right, my friends, since all the parts are repeated, that's all we've got to learn in order to play Cinnamon Girl by Neil Young on 4-string electric bass. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.